visit comes at a time when the seat sharing is still ongoing in the Bihar elections, and that has come under attack. Rahul Gandhi's visit is coming in amid the talks that are still going on in Bihar, and they remain in a deadlock. The Congress party has announced the first list of 48 candidates, even as the seat sharing is yet to conclude. And now we have some criticism coming in from the BJP. Amit Malviya is saying if instead of holidaying in Colombia, Rahul Gandhi had focused on Bihar, their alliance would have been able to announce seat sharing in time for their candidates to file their nominations. And then he goes on to say on the 14th of November, Rahul Gandhi will blame everyone except himself for the crushing defeat. So the BJP going on to say that the seat sharing talks are still ongoing, and amid that, Rahul Gandhi is not even available for these discussions. My colleague Mohit Bhatt is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Mohit, now the seat sharing talks yet to conclude in the Mahagathbandhan, and the BJP taking a dig, alleging that this is just a stepping stone, and now we are going towards a situation where Rahul Gandhi and the Congress in particular will be blaming everybody except looking within on what went wrong.
Yes, in fact, and that is where the BJP is attacking the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi, saying that when the announcement of the schedule of the Bihar poll happened, Rahul Gandhi was holidaying and he did not properly campaign in Bihar. And also, the seat sharing talks have been inconclusive between the Mahagathbandhan. We know for a fact that how there have been various meetings, but the seat sharing formula is not yet out. Congress have declared candidates on few seats, but in comparison to the NDA, who have declared all the 243 candidates, the BJP takes dig at the Congress party, saying that Rahul Gandhi should have focused on Bihar instead of holidaying in Colombia. And he also goes on to say that on 14th of November, Rahul Gandhi will blame everyone except himself for crushing defeat. So that has been the criticism coming in from the BJP. Rather than criticism, it's more of a jibe on Rahul Gandhi's style of politics, that Rahul Gandhi does not take the polls seriously, and perhaps that is why the Congress party gets defeated in many elections we have seen from past 10 to 12 years. And when the results come, everything else is being blamed. So this is the jibe coming in from the BJP on Rahul Gandhi. So we have to wait and watch how will the Congress party respond to it. But we know for a fact that how the nomination for the first phase of the Bihar polls is coming to an end, and still the seat sharing formula is not out, and that is where the BJP is taking jibe at Rahul Gandhi, saying that instead of holidaying, he should have focused on Bihar alliance and Bihar polls. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Mohit, thank you for joining us with those details. So questions being asked, the BJP, of course, taking a dig at Rahul Gandhi. Remember, the talks are still ongoing in Bihar. With that, a quick break. We'll be right back.